Hello friends, thank you so much for tuning back in with me today. So, today I'm just going to make a short and sweet video just featuring only one artisan keycap. So let's get right into it. Today, up for showcase is a bongo cat by Hello Caps in the colorway Rough Patch. Now, I just recently got this, like maybe a few days ago. Well, a few days from whenever this video was posted. And I got it from a colorway swap with someone. That's the really cool thing about this hobby, I think, is that you can practically contact anyone from somewhere in the world. And, you know, I don't know, just the sharing of information in this hobby is so casual, and I think that anyone outside of the hobby might see it as a bit of a problem, because basically you just go and chat up someone online that you've never met before, you have no clue who they are, and you'll say, hey, I want that, give me your address, and we can swap this stuff, which is basically what I did. Because I have some friends outside of the hobby, and they think that, you know, everyone knowing each other's information and being able to track down people is super weird. And in retrospect, it is a little bit weird, you know, that you just have access to basically anyone's information, or that people are so willing to give up their address to like strangers. But I would go out on a limb and say that most people in this hobby are pretty cool and pretty nice and won't, you know, be weird or anything. Here I am rambling again. I'm trying to make shorter videos so that way you guys just get straight to seeing the keycap. This keycap is a Rough Patch bongo cat, and it is very, very cute. I had it on my wish list for a while, practically since it came out, since it's I just love the colors. As you can see, it is split between pink and blue. It is so adorable. The bongo cat is split in half, so half of it is a light pastel blue and the other half is a light, I want to say like a rose pink color. And each side is complementary, so on one side it will have pink, on the other side it will have blue, and I just really love the look of it, you know. I like that its eyes are like, you know, different colors. I like that his paws are different colors too, it's so cute. And I also love just like the little creepy teepees too, because bongos usually either look like a sweet little cat, you know, with just, you know, its eyes and a closed little mouth, or they'll look like this kind of like Cheshire cat with like eyeliner, I guess. I don't really know how to describe it, but yeah, like eyeliner and an open mouth with exposed teeth. This bongo cat does not react to UV light, so it's just, you know, like you just appreciate the colors as they are. And then on the bottom of it, you can see that there is a little splash of pink, and then Hello Cap's little signature, which is a smiley face. This cap looks like it has not been used or mounted in any way, so it's pretty much just a display cap. Lots of people will do that in the hobby. Like, you'll think, okay, well, people are getting keycaps in order to show it off on their keyboard, but in fact it is the opposite, and people will go out of their way to not use a keycap and just display it in a little box. When I break it down like that, it does sound kind of weird that some people are spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars on these little pieces only to not use them, but it is a part that goes in just, you know, like supporting and being a patron of all these really cool artists out there. But yeah, this was the bongo cat. It's really cute, and I definitely think that it's going to stay in my collection forever and ever, and no one will be able to pry this off me unless like I get a really crazy offer, but nope. this is actually something I was thinking about with Cypher the other day, is, will these keycap aftermarkets and such and prices, will they still be sustainable in like 10, 5, even 1 year from now? I enjoy, hypothesizing about this, with all my friends, and it's just really crazy to think that even if all this does, sustain value, I think in maybe give it 10 or 15 years when all of the keycap collectors' kids go to college and they need those college funds, then we're gonna see some serious influx of money into the market. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed looking at this little keycap. I love it very much, and I just really enjoy showing you guys all the stuff that I like. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching me and, just watching me do a little show and tell of these little plastic thingies. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye-bye and happy clacking.